Passionate about the aroma of fresh bread or the sweetness of perfect cookies? Turn that love into a thriving US based business right from your kitchen. We're unlocking the secrets of home bakery success, starting with identifying hot trends. The demand for diet friendly options is exploding. Think low carb, keto, and sugar free delights. Don't overlook the often underserved gluten free market, catering to a growing health conscious audience. And for visual appeal and shareability, fun and unique donuts are a social media sensation. Your smart start involves researching what your specific US community craves. Next, focus on savvy investments. Prioritize reliable, quality basic equipment, and don't underestimate the power of professional packaging to elevate your brand and protect your creations. But to truly scale, establishing a strong online presence is key. Explore platforms like Etsy, build your brand on social media, and offer convenient custom orders and local delivery to reach customers beyond your immediate neighborhood. Ready to turn your passion into profit? Focus on three crucial steps. First, develop signature, unique recipes, and a memorable brand identity that makes you stand out in a crowded market. Second, thoroughly understand the cottage food laws in your specific US state. Know the regulations for baking and selling from your home. And third, build a user friendly online presence, even if it begins with engaging social media and a simple way for customers to place orders. The US market offers incredible opportunities for dedicated home bakers. Start with a clear vision, be adaptable to evolving trends, learn from your customers, and grow strategically. Thanks so much for tuning in and exploring the sweet possibilities of starting your own home bakery. What's the unique flavor or product that will make your home bakery a success story? Share your delicious dreams in the comments below. We'd love to hear your feedback. What are your biggest questions or challenges? If you found these sweet insights helpful, please support the channel by hitting that like button and following for more tips and inspiration on building your own home-based bakery empire. Your follows help us bring you more valuable content. Until our next baking adventure, happy creating and happy business building.